I'm gonna be real. You saw my Snoopy pajamas? This is real jank, cause I'm not gonna lie, I'm sitting on a little tiny stool right now, and this is my temporary setup. Oh, do you guys like my shirt? Sonic concert exclusive. Just letting you know. Debating on putting on makeup too, but we're doing a review on Moody. Moody is a contact brand. I purchased 3 different trials of contacts, and I want to see how they look on my eyes. And I'm gonna preference this. Let the baby shine, sorry. But I'm gonna preference this by saying I'm actually very scared to use contacts. Shoot, my baby fell. Girl, that was scary. But yeah, so we're going to try this out. I saw this on Instagram, and as someone that used to cosplay, here's the thing. Okay, so as a cosplayer of many years and a girl of many hobbies, I have looked into like fake fun Halloween costume contacts, but I've actually been really scared to use them. And you're like, why are you scared? It's just because when you go on things like Pinky Paradise, the swap meet, anybody that sells contact lenses, they're basically made for like a general set of people. Well, I wear actual contact lenses. When you get a prescription for like a contact lens, when you go to the what is it called? Optometrist. There we go. Medical document. It'll have your BC, which is your curve for your contact lens that fits your eye, because not all eyes are the same. Some people have flatter eyes, some people have rounder eyes. That's kind of like the gist. And then there's also your power, which is going to be like your prescription, basically. That's the general thing about contacts, right? So I am nervous to try these because I don't think my base curve matches any of these, and I know that's important. I'm doing a genuine review though, as somebody that wears contact lenses, just to see the quality of it, you know, because I want to know what's the big deal about it. And like, I'm kind of jealous about all the girlies that get to change their eye colors a lot. As you can see, I have brown eyes, and I have my fun little mirror. I have this fun little mirror of Pachaco that I will use to help pull my contacts out and kind of show you guys what's going on. I honestly, okay, I'm gonna be real. I don't like these. Do you see that? I don't like these. I don't like the suction cup thing, and I don't like the rubber tweezers. I'm not a big fan of it. I just use my fingers. Don't be scared though to get in there. This is general contact stuff. Don't sleep in your contacts. Don't have the same water in your contact cases. Switch them out if you're wearing like a monthly or a weekly, and throw them away after a month. And also make sure you have a left and a right, and don't mix them up. Keep them separate, keep them clean. And yeah, I washed my hands before this, so I should be okay. And let's get started, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna take one contact out. If you're squirmish, don't look. Real easy. You see that? Wow. Wow. She's a little dry though, I'm not gonna lie. Now, which one do we try? It's a daily wear trial lens in the shade blue. I'm gonna try this because blue has always been something that, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to look like Miley. I don't want to put this on and be like, I am nervous about this. We'll see, we'll see. I just wanted to try like a daily, only because I want to just try the colors. I didn't want to commit to like a month pack or spend a lot of money on it. Also, if you're gonna buy contact solution, I definitely do recommend this one. It does all the good stuff for your eyes. I highly recommend that brand. If you can get it, get it. There's not really, for contacts, there's not a left or a right. So you can kind of pick on what you want to do. What my box looks like. That's what I got in there. And I'm actually gonna pull them out. I'm gonna fix the framing. It's a lot better. Time to do the blue contact. Like I said, I don't like using these tools to put in my eye. However, pulling it out of the little bin is fine. You can't feel the contact, like, oh god. Like, I see this already. I'm gonna use my dogs. I'm gonna use my dogs. I'm just gonna put my finger in there. I'm so sorry. My finger's clean. I don't have any nails. You know, they are nice though if you have long nails, but I just washed my hands and then I figured it's kind of like a bowl. You want to lift it, especially if you have small eyes like me, you want to lift it up like that. And then lift, oh my god. Lift this up, lift it down. Am I Miley? I can't even, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. As someone that wears soft contact lenses, I cannot feel it. Does it look natural? Hey. Watch, say something. You look nice today. Thanks. Thanks. You like my brown hair and my blue eyes? I'm like two different girls. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. This is pretty cute. Let me take a closer inspection. My eye's a little red, but you know what? I think it's because my eye's already red, and I think the blue does not help it. However, I mean, looks good to me. Looks good to me. And yes, like I said, it does feel comfortable. I would wear this again, 100%. I think it's worth $6, okay? If you're like, I just need it for a costume or something. It does take 2 weeks to get here, but that's actually pretty good. And the prescription, I think my prescription is a little bit clearer, obviously, for my actual brand, but I do think that, sorry, I'm like looking at stuff, trying to like make sure it's like strong. I'm gonna say yes, because is it as strong as my actual prescription? Probably not, because it's not a medical device. It's not what you buy at the optometrist, but it is something for good value if you just want colored lenses for one day. Like I said, it took about 2 weeks to get here. $6, didn't have to pay for shipping, by the way. I bought 3 of them. I think it was like $21 altogether, and came from China and went all the way over here. And yeah, I think it was great. That is a pretty big contact though. My normal contact is not that big. Did you see that? That's what I'm saying, like, let me put this away and then we'll try on the next color. Recommendation though, if you are gonna wear these contacts, I would probably just get your solution. Let that bad boy sit in your solution for maybe a day before putting it in your eyeball, just to make sure it's all clean, you know, and like everything's fine. It'll probably also like help with I don't know, just the cleanliness of your contacts in general. So yeah, I would personally do that, but these are fun. These are interesting to try out. I think I am gonna buy more. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna buy more because the quality is really impressing me right now. If Pinky Paradise is like this too, please let me know. Let me know what your favorite brand of contact is. Let's just do the purple. Can I say, it's kind of weird. This one opens like this, like a gum packet, right? And then this one opens like a punch, like you punch it. Like that on the top. So I find that kind of weird, but I'm not gonna really question it. I'm just gonna let it ride. I did order, I don't know if they all come with cases, but just in case they didn't, I did order cases for the Moody Contacts specifically. So I do have these that I ordered. I think they're $3, something like that. If you want to save money, they do sell the generic cases at Walmart, which are 100% completely fine. Just go do that. It's like $6, $4 for a pack of 6 or something. So these are cute. I mean, it's called bubble tea. If I take both my contacts out, I won't be able to know where the camera is. I'm a -7. I can't see anything. I just kind of poke it around like a bird. There's a fish in the pond. Is this giving? This is kind of giving like just a girl. I kind of like it. I'm gonna put the other one on. I'm gonna put the other one on. Can you see it? The difference? Like the LA mirror. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm gonna walk up to you. Nothing aesthetic except for me popping my face into this camera. Hey. This is kind of cute. It's kind of neat. I think it's cute. I think it's kind of cute. I like this better than the blue one. I'm not gonna lie. It's a purple blue. It's really fun. Really cool. Let's do the test. It does not move. Yes! That's what you want. So if your contact starts floating around your eyeball, that is a no-go. Don't wear the contact anymore. It's just gonna make your eyes irritated. You're gonna start getting like some goo coming out the corners. It's not fun. So if your contact starts floating and doing something like that, it's either backwards or it's torn or it's dirty. So there's a lot of different things, or it's just old. So just don't wear that. At that point, just throw it away. Get a new one. You know, it's hard to say goodbye, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. If you cry a little bit, it's normal. It shouldn't burn though. So if your contacts are burning, it really shouldn't be. Does it eat? If I went, hey, I don't know me. I was born with these eyes. These see things. I think they're cute. I think especially if like, I don't know, I did my hair and I had a cute outfit. I'm not saying this Sonic t-shirt is not cute, because it kind of goes with my outfit, but this one definitely has more purple. And the purple's in different places. Can you see it float a little bit when I blink? I can't see it though, so I think that's a bonus. That's good. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. 5 out of 5 stars. Okay? Anyways, we're moving on. Question is, do I want to try on the gray ones and will it make a difference? So I have a feeling that the gray ones aren't gonna do diddly squat. I might just save them. But at the same time, I bought them for the review, so I'm very iffy. Half and half about it. I think I'll try it. It's only $6. Please, only wear fun little contacts like this for only 8 hours and take it out of your eyeball. Ooh. I really like that. Actually, this is very pretty. This is really pretty. This is... I'm starting to like this a lot. I think I'm really starting to like this. It's like giving my eyes sparkle. I think I like this one. I think this one's my favorite. I don't know. It squirted at me. Do you see how bloodshot this is? Ignore this. But do you see that? Wow. So cute. Girl, that's so cute. What do I think about these contacts? I do think they're really cute. I think they're cute. The quality's good. I think that they're great for the value that they are. The prescription looks pretty clear to me. I mean, I'm looking at everything. I can see everything. It looks pretty good. Like I said, as long as you follow your basic tips on contact cleanliness and making sure everything's clean, you can have some fun. You can have some fun with some good contacts. $6 for just one day to spice up your life. That's a steal. I would say yeah. Get some Moody contact lenses. If you're feeling like you want to change, you want to be Miley from the red carpet, go ahead. You know, do you, girl? My eyes have been through a lot because I've tried on 3 different pairs of contacts like within a couple of hours. But would I buy this again? 100% yes. Buy it. I'm not saying to overconsume, but I'm saying if you want to have a fun little new look or like wear something for a con or, you know, like for your birthday. You want to be Demi Lovato from Camp Rock or Edward Cullen and you need contact lenses. I think that buying them for $6 and waiting 2 weeks for them to come in is a good deal. and I definitely will be buying more. I don't think I want the big packs, but I think that the daily is probably like a really good deal for someone that wants to try new colors and see like which one's their favorite and then buy a big bulk pack. So if you're considering like doing that, or if you're considering trying any contacts, I recommend definitely just buying like the daily contacts, and then the daily, I think it's like 1 sample contact lenses. Do that, $6 on the website. That way you can then buy like the 6-month, like half a year, 24 contact lens pack, and then do whatever you want. I hope I can make another video soon. I hope to see you guys later. Bye! Bye!